Hey guys, we're here today to show you how to use the ventilator according to the PREOXI trial to preoxygenate prior to intubation. And so this is a typical ventilator that you'll find in the trauma bay. Notice it's one of the newer ventilators, and you can identify it as newer based on it has a black frame, an iPad-like touchscreen, and a lack of knobs here. So right when you come up to it, it should be turned on. And what you're going to want to do for non-invasive positive pressure ventilation is tap this button, the invasive button, and change it to non-invasive. It's going to ask if you should change to new patient circuit, but you're going to click same patient circuit. Once you get this, you're going to change the ventilator mode. And we are going to select the non-invasive control of pressure control. So here is where we dial in the specifics. We'll start off with the FiO2 of 100%. So tap the FiO2. And down here, you'll notice it starts at 40. But we'll want to drag this all the way up, or tap all the way up at the top, and move it to 100% and click the check mark. We will keep the PEEP at 5, the respirations at 15, and the pressure above PEEP, we're going to move that to 10, which will be right about here. And we'll click the checkbox. You do not need to change the inspiratory times. And at this point, you'll click Start Ventilation. Now your ventilator will be ready to oxygenate the patient. It will start alarming right now because there's no patient attached. But then you'll move to the tubing here, and you'll grab any BiPAP face mask. These are interchangeable, so it doesn't matter which one you grab, but a BiPAP mask. Place it on the patient and connect the tubing together. At this point, you'll have a fully functional BiPAP on a ventilator, and you need to pre-oxygenate for 3 minutes. And then once you actually perform the intubation, the respiratory therapist should change this to invasive ventilation mode. All right, to summarize, there'll be 5 steps here to hook a patient up for non-invasive positive pressure ventilation prior to intubation. You'll switch non-invasive to non-invasive mode. You'll click same patient circuit. You'll go from pressure support to pressure control. Number 3, you'll change the FiO2 all the way up to 100%. Your pressure control above PEEP will go up to 10. You'll start the ventilation, and then you'll hook up the patient to the mask for at least 3 minutes prior to intubation.